हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लेसन 1 हाउ द कैमल गॉट हिज हम्प के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे. ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट टास्क डू यू थिंक वर असाइंड टू द डॉग एंड द ऑक्स? द डॉग वॉज असाइंड द टास्क ऑफ फैचिंग एंड कैरिंग. द ऑक्स वॉज मेड टू प्लो द फील्ड्स. ओके, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है, why did the camel live in the middle of the desert? The camel lived in the middle of the desert because it didn't want to walk. Third question है, what made the dog, the horse and the ox very angry? ये angry है, यहाँ आर आएगा. ओके, the dog, आंसर क्या है? The dog, the horse and the ox were very angry because man, their master, told them to work double time to make up for the camel's idleness. idleness के बीच में एल है, ठीक है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन हो गया. अब फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है, हाउ डिड द जिन नो द हॉर्स वॉज कंप्लेनिंग अगेंस्ट द कैमल? द जिन वॉज द मास्टर ऑफ डेजर्ट्स, सो ही वॉज able to know easily who the animal with a long neck and long legs was. Okay, next question है, the camel was looking at his own reflection in the pool. What did it suggest to you about the camel? The statement suggests that the camel loved its own image in the pool. Perhaps it considered himself handsome looking. Next question है, the camel said hump repeatedly. How did it affect him? Answer है, the word hump annoyed the Jinn. He turned hump into the hump on the camel's back. What according to the Jinn was the use of hump? The camel's hump contained food material. It helped the desert animal go without any food for 3 days. Fourth question है, he has never yet learned to behave. In the light of this, what is the writer's opinion about the camel? Answer है, the writer is of the opinion that the camel has not changed its nature and habits to this day. Okay, next question है, can this story be factually true? क्या ये स्टोरी सही में सत्य है? No, the story is not factually true. It is just an imaginary one. Next question है, what according to you is the story about? Consider the following: how the world began, why anyone should do his or her share of work seriously, how animals are important to humans, how the camel got his hump. इसका आंसर क्या होगा? फोर्थ. ठीक है, how the camel got his hump. What did you do over the weekend? Were you generally active or idle? Please check your back before starting to discuss or answer the questions. On the weekend, I got up late and relaxed. Late evening, I watched my favorite TV serial. I played cricket in the afternoon. I have checked my bag and there is no hump. There are broadly two categories of workers: those who prefer to do today what they can do tomorrow, and those who prefer to do tomorrow what they can do today. Where do you belong? I personally believe in doing my work promptly and well in time. Why did early man domesticate a few animals? Early man domesticated animals for different purposes. They used them to carry heavy loads, draw carts and plow the field. Next question है, which animal in your opinion is the man's best friend and most useful too? Answer है, the dog is man's best friend. It provides security and even draws the sledge on ice. It is known for its faithfulness. The horse and the elephants have also been very friendly to man. Do you think The camel renders no service to man. The camel is rightly called the ship of desert. It renders a variety of service to man. It is the chief means of transport across the desert. It plows the fields, gives milk and meat to its master. Fourth question है, do you think hump on the camel's back has no use? The hump on a camel's back, ये on है बेटे, ठीक है, on a camel's back is an obstruction in riding, but it is very useful. It comes in food, fat, arid food. It contains fat, arid food. A camel can get its food from the hump for several days. Who was Zin? How did he set the camel right? Zin was in charge of all deserts, so the horse, ox, and the dog complained to him about the camel's laziness. The Zin scolded the camel, gave a hump on its back, and ordered it to serve man as did other animals. Thank you.